Welcome to Lesson 1. In this lesson, we're going to provide an overview of the Microsoft Azure platform as it relates to computer vision. This is going to help us as we move ahead with our fruit classifier application. Let's get a solid understanding of the platform before we begin developing on it. As we saw in our introductory video, Azure provides a low-code environment with pre-built models and cloud resources, allowing us to bring our products to market faster and more cost-effectively. Azure is a feature-rich solution. We can see that there are over 20 different features ranging from virtual desktop to Internet of Things to security. As data scientists, the areas of most importance to us would be machine learning, which we'll go into a lot of detail in this video. Analytics, compute, databases, and storage also are important building blocks to any AI solution. However, there's too many different features here to cover them all in one tutorial, so we're going to focus in on AI and machine learning features within the Azure platform. This category includes several sub-features, including machine learning. The machine learning subcategory provides Jupyter notebooks, TensorFlow, Python, all the libraries that an experienced AI machine learning data scientist needs to build and develop a product. Interestingly, Azure also provides what they call cognitive services, and this is targeted for the non-data scientists, people with no machine learning or AI experience, but allowing them to develop and leverage all the great inventions around AI and machine learning. Also, cognitive search is another sub-feature in the machine learning category. Cognitive search allows you to rapidly deploy a text search or autocomplete solution for a particular customer or for your business. Azure Bot Services is another subcomponent. This allows you to deploy a chatbot. For example, maybe you would like to have a client care chatbot that answers customer complaints for you, offloading your call centers. Azure Bot comes with the prepackaged or the AI capabilities to do that quickly. And finally, the fifth component is Databricks. Databricks is a Spark-based collaboration platform that allows the rapid development of AI solutions. For our application, building a fruit classifier, we have two options. We could go with machine learning or cognitive services. Because we want to deploy rapidly and make things easy for ourselves, we're going to go with cognitive services. The machine learning, we could apply TensorFlow and build our own model, but this would be overkill for our application. So let's go with cognitive services. Cognitive services actually provides even more than just vision. Here are some of the services offered. Decision. In this service, you're able to find anomaly detection. So libraries are provided that you can find anomalies in your data. Language. Perhaps you want to do some sentiment analysis on a text, or you want to do some text translation, then you can use Azure's cognitive service for language. Maybe you want to look at speech. And one of the exciting new features in the speech services is around speaker recognition. The idea here is if you have an audio clip, you can actually determine who is speaking in that audio. Vision. Vision is going to be the service we're going to leverage for our fruit classifier, and we'll go into a lot of detail. Before we do that, let's just take a look at web search, the final service offered under cognitive services. Web search leverages the power of the Bing engine to find images or data on the web. To build our fruit classifier, we're going to have to use the Vision cognitive services. Let's take a look at what's offered. We can see that there are 6 offerings: computer vision, custom vision, face, form recognizer, ink recognizer, and finally video indexer. Each one of these has a unique function. Computer vision is a pre-trained model where we can feed an image into the API and we'll receive information back, like what types of objects are in the image, where are the objects, and even a description of the image itself. Custom vision offers the ability to train a machine learning model specific to an application. Face allows us to send a picture to the Face API and it will identify the faces. Where are they? And provide back bounding boxes. Form recognizer. Maybe you're sitting in a doctor's office and you're filling out that form. Now with form recognizer, you could take a photo of it and the API would translate that form into structured data for the doctor's office. Ink recognizer is an interesting one where the API is able to analyze handwritten documents and even identify shapes. Finally, video indexer provides the ability to automatically create a searchable index from videos. This could allow you to sort or find videos within your organization much simpler. To build our fruit classifier, we're going to go ahead with the custom vision option here. We're choosing this over the computer vision option because custom vision allows us to train a machine learning model specific to our application. In our case, fruit classification. So it's going to be very important that we have an accurate and detailed model that can identify differences like, is this a Granny Smith apple or is this a green apple? If we just relied on the computer vision option, then we would be limited to apple and we wouldn't be able to get into the details of, is it a green apple or a Granny Smith apple? So for that reason, we're going to move ahead with training a custom vision API cognitive service within the AI and machine learning framework of Azure. Awesome. Let's see what custom vision offers. It provides a portal, a web portal, where we can upload our images, train our models, evaluate the performance, and even deploy an endpoint for our application. On top of all of this, no machine learning experience is required to do this. So let's go ahead and take a look at custom vision and start building our application. You've completed lesson number 1. Next, we're going to set up our project in Azure.